Hello everyone, welcome to this training video about Hammer. Hopefully, at the end of it, you will have gained a much better understanding about pretty much everything you need to know about the collection. Its main components, main characteristics, recommended applications, limitations of use, and all the marketing and merchandising available with it. I hope you like it. Hammer is available in 5 different colors and it comes in 2x6, 2 inches by 6 inches. Here you can see the colors part of Hammer. Then there is the second component, which is Hammer Decor. The exact same colors, but with a decorative pattern. We'll cover that a little later during the video. Important to mention that this collection is porcelain. You can see I am pointing out the little icon, the one with the letter P as in porcelain, which is pretty much available throughout all the marketing, printed and digital that we release. That characteristic is very important because it tells you very quickly some of the recommended areas of use of all collections. In this case, Hammer is porcelain, so even though technically all porcelain collections would be suitable for interior and exterior floors and walls, in this case, Hammer happens to be an exception because of a very special glaze that we use during the manufacturing. It's called reactive glaze, and this particular glaze is beautiful, confers a very unique characteristic to the collection. It's called reactive because it reacts during the firing process. When it goes through the kiln, each piece is going to react differently, creating a very unique and beautiful effect where there is no two pieces alike. No? That is a very beautiful characteristic of the collection, but the use of this glaze is limited, and so it is an exception. Porcelain would normally be suitable for a wider type of use, but because of this particular reactive glaze, Hammer cannot be installed inside a pool, for instance, and the factory doesn't recommend the use of Hammer on floors, also because it is glossy, so it might be slippery when wet. So any type of interior or exterior wall will be fine for this type of glaze, but the limitation is no submerged applications in pools and no floors. And the second component is Hammer Decor. It's a decorative pattern available in the same colors as just Hammer. It comes in 10 different patterns, all randomly mixed inside the box. You cannot just pick one. That's a very common question that we get asked. The answer is no. You cannot just pick one of the patterns. When you open a box, you are going to find randomly mixed the 10 different patterns. The idea is to create a mixed wall with this type of materials, combining it with Hammer. You can combine Hammer and Hammer Decor. You have to order them independently, but the idea, and you will see that in a lot of the inspiration images that we provide, where our designers are combining Hammer and Hammer Decor. You can use only Hammer, you can use only Hammer Decor, but the idea is to create beautiful combinations throughout any wall. This Hammer Decor is also porcelain. Again, pointing out that little icon, very informative. If it was ceramic, you will see an icon with the word W, as in white body. I will explain what that means later, but just important to understand this collection, Hammer and Hammer Decor, are both porcelain body. Hammer Decor has the exact same limitations because the same reactive glaze is used in its manufacturing. So The only recommended areas of application would be interior or exterior walls. No floors and no submerged applications like inside a pool. This is a snapshot of the collection page, Hammer, online, Wow Design EU, our website. Like I mentioned earlier, they don't use the online in the website. They don't use this classification of icons with P and W, porcelain, white body. Here you can just read the word. No, at the very top, just right under the main image of the collection page, you will see that classification. That is again super informative, and you all need to understand what it means. So in this case, again, reinforcing the message, this collection is porcelain body. And what is the body of the tile? In this little graphic, you can see very easily the two main components of any piece of tile. The top layer is going to be the glaze, and what you see at the back behind the glaze is what we call the body of the tile. Body and the glaze. So whenever you see these informative icons referring to porcelain body or white body, that makes reference to what is underneath the glaze or the body of the tile. If it is porcelain, it means that it has less than 0.5% water absorption, and white body, normally our ceramic tiles or ceramic collections have a water absorption of higher than 10 or 13% water absorption. So glaze and body you can see very easily, just to clarify what that body means in the tile. So body underneath the glaze. And as a recap of Hammer's suitable applications, here in this chart you can see that it is only suitable for interior or exterior walls. Interior floor, exterior floors, and pools, this collection wouldn't be suitable for that application. Interior walls include everything inside the space, a home or commercial space, whether it is a shower wall, a backsplash, a living room accent wall, fireplace. As long as it's an interior wall, it is okay. Exterior walls, the same, because it's porcelain, so it will be suitable for exterior use only in walls. The limitation is any floor or inside the pool. As far as marketing and merchandising available for the collection, as usual, the standard marketing package for each collection includes three main components. One of them is the Kit Smart. These boards have been designed to work alongside our beautiful smart table. The Kit Smart is typically formed with three boards, two composition or concept boards where you can see a little combination of pieces, and then one of the boards will always have the color group or color palette available within the collection. In that board with swatches, you will be able to see actual cut pieces, or in this case full pieces because they can fit in this board, of all the colors available of the collection. The second component of the marketing package is the collection architectural binder. This binder, the new size now, remember, it's a new size for all our binders, 12 inches in height. You will see a lot of technical information as well as actual samples inside the binder of all the pieces that form the collection. So the first one was the Smart Kit, second one, architectural binder. And last but not least is the Hammer individual catalog. It's the collection catalog. This is an excellent tool. Our clients absolutely love it. It contains beautiful room scenes, installation photos, as well as the complete breakdown of the collection, every piece available, whether or not there is a trim available. In this case, there is no trim, by the way. And also remember, the technical information is only available in these individual catalogs for each collection. You can download them online, or you can just view them in the hard copy. Towards the back of the catalog is where you will find a table listing all the technical characteristics of this collection, water absorption, slipperiness, etc., etc. So whenever someone, a client, is asking to see the technical specifications, you have to refer them to the individual collection catalog. So this closes the marketing package for the collection, Smart Kit, architectural binder, and individual catalog.